Welcome to a virtual tour of the Relativistic Heavy Ion Collider at Brookhaven National Laboratory. We will follow a gold ion starting from the tandem accelerators, which launch the ion at 5% the speed of light into the booster synchrotron, which then kicks it up to 37% the speed of light. The booster feeds into the alternating gradient synchrotron, which has 3 Nobel Prizes on its resume. The ions are then directed into the 2.4 mile circumference RIC ring in 2 directions and accelerated up to 99.995% the speed of light. The ions are then allowed to collide at 6 points. There are thousands of collisions of the ions per second. Now we will fly by the 4 major RIC experiments. First up is the STAR experiment. STAR stands for Solenoidal Tracker at RIC. STAR is anchored by a large volume gas detector capable of taking 3-dimensional pictures of over 1,000 particles from a single collision. There are over 1,000 scientists from all over the world participating in the RIC experiments. This is the BROMS experiment. BROMS stands for Broad Range Hadron Magnetic Spectrometers. BROMS is capable of looking for a new state of matter called the color glass condensate. RIC data is analyzed in one of the world's largest computing facilities at BNL. We now approach the Phobos experiment, which is named after the innermost moon of Mars. Phobos consists of a collection of small strategically placed silicon detectors, shown in green, that count charged particles from the collisions. Finally, we will swing by the largest of the experiments, standing over 4 stories high, the Phoenix experiment. Phoenix stands for Pioneering High-Energy Nuclear Interaction Experiment. Phoenix specializes in measuring rarely produced particles such as electrons and muons. This concludes our tour of the RIC complex.